In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can see your liked photos here on Pinterest. Before you get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is obviously open up that Pinterest app on your device, and once Pinterest is open, go ahead and select your profile icon down in the bottom right corner. This is going to take you to your profile page, and from here look up at the top of your screen, and what you're going to want to do is look for the three dots up there. If you don't see the three dots, select your profile icon again, and it's going to take you to a new page that looks like this, where you're going to want to go ahead and find the settings section, and inside of this section look specifically for the option that says refine your recommendations. Open it up, and Pinterest will now show you the pins that you've liked along with when you have liked them. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can see your liked photos here on Pinterest. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.